Hey guys, we're gonna show you guys how to take off some of these center console pieces out of a 2004. This is a 15 Forester, but they're all pretty much the same. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, pretty much all the same way. So today I'm gonna show you how to take apart the shift knob. Okay. This little chrome piece. If you take your little flathead and just stick it right here and just press and pry a little bit, this chrome piece pops out. There's a little pin right here. I don't know if you can see it. Little cotter pin looking thing. I'll pull it out. I'll pull it out and show you. This guy right here. I don't know if you see it. And then voila, slides out. This piece right here, it goes right here like that. And then if you want to put it back on, let's say you bought a new one, fancier, I think like the touring package has a nicer shifter. Just put it back in, and if you slam on it, this pin will pop. So put your finger on that pin so it doesn't pop out, and push it down all the way, and it will lock into place and not come back out. You can try to pull on it, it's not going to come back out. And then just, this thing will pop right back into its spot. And that's how you replace the shifter knob on the 15 Forester.